Hey everybody, how you doing? There's a little dire straits for you, money for nothing. Obviously, they're talking about making money just for playing guitars and singing and instruments and drums and whatnot, and being a rock star and getting their chicks for free. We played it because today was non-farm payroll, and here the Federal Reserve has been doing quantitative easing. Central bankers around the world have been doing quantitative easing. Uh, yeah, we've supposedly stopped, but we've gone over that in past videos. Um, GDP growth is actually contracted first quarter of this year. Nominal GDP growth being forecast going forward, not just here in America, but also in Europe and everywhere else, with the exception of China. But China's been their GDP growth has been slowing very rapidly. So you got the Federal Reserve throwing all this money at the problem to the tune of almost $4 trillion around the world to the tune of $22 trillion. It's for nothing. It's for nothing. We had non-farm payroll announced this morning. You're going to hear and read on the internet, and you're going to hear on TV. What a great number! 280,000 jobs were created. It was supposed to be 225,000 was the estimate of all analysts. 280,000 jobs created. Great number. It sounds. Are you kidding me? Great numbers. You go back to the boom days in the 90s. We had 400, 500, 600,000 jobs being created. 280,000? Not only that, unemployment went up. Last month, unemployment was, according to the government, was 5.4%. Now they're saying it's 5.5%. How could it go up 0.1% when this great number of 280,000 jobs were created? It's statistically impossible. And the press, the talking heads on TV, they're brushing it to the side. No big deal. Unemployment went up. Matter of fact, Thomas Perez, who's the Secretary of Labor in this country for the Obama administration, he said, and I quote, unemployment ticked up to from 5.4 to 5.5% because more people are out there looking for jobs, and that's a good thing. What? A good thing? More people looking for jobs is a good thing? Is this guy? Obviously, as you can see, I'm at wit's end with what's going on politically and economically. It's staggering. You could take the politics and put it to the side for all I care, whether it's a Democrat or a Republican or Joe Schmo running the place. But the bottom line is the economy isn't moving. Juking and jiving economies, robust economies, go under Clinton. Robust economy. 1994, 1995, 1996, 1997, 1998, 1999. It was like a party in America. Under Reagan, 84 starts picking up, 85, 86, 87, 88. The economy is juking and jiving. It's like a party in America. Now what do we got? We got people struggling to look for work, struggling, the ones that are working, struggling to make ends meet. And yet you listen to the people on TV, you read some mainstream blogs and articles. It's great. 280,000 new jobs were created. Woohoo! These people are all out of their minds. Anyway, let's get to it. Two trades. We still have our two correlation trades on. One is, as you know, one is Canadian dollar yen to pound yen. We're still in that, and we're in the other one, which is euro pound to euro yen. All those pairs with each other are very highly correlated. We're down a little bit on them, not much. Obviously, with correlations, you wait for that correlation to narrow from where we put it on. We have about 60% of our intended size on with the Canadian dollar yen to pound yen, and we only have 50% of our euro pound euro yen. They haven't widened significantly enough to add to them. But we did have two trades, pulled out 7.1 pips, made on one, lost on one. We'll show you what we did. US dollar Japanese yen. We were long 124.336. This is the average price. We had picked some up. We had picked some more up. 5%, 5% in tranches. We had a total of 10%. We were in this thing for about a day and a half or so. Held it until the non-farm payroll was announced. We had our stops in place. We raised our first profit target was just under 125, which didn't get hit right, before the numbers came out. So about a half an hour, around 8 o'clock this morning, before the numbers came out, we raised it to 125.50. Sure enough, we got taken out 125. Well, we raised it to 125.450. It moved so fast, we actually got out 125.475. Picking up 113.9 pips, or adjusted for size, 11.4, because we had 10% of our normal size. And it ripped past that. It ran all the way up to 125.85 or so. Good trade. If you're still in it, she may even run further. Second one was pound, US dollar, which we lost on. We were in this thing about a day and a half. We were long 1.53750. We got our 5% on. We almost got our next piece on, another 5%, but not quite. We were looking to get it around 1.5450 level, I think it was, maybe just a hair above that. As you can see what it did yesterday, it ran up to 1.543738 area before falling back down. Same thing. What we did on this, we were going to initially risk a little bit more than what you're seeing here. But as the number was about to come out, we trimmed that up about a half an hour when we adjusted the US dollar Japanese yen profit target, which we also adjusted the stop as well. On this one, we raised our profit target, and we reduced our risk exposure, our stop loss, because on a non-farm payroll, you're going to get a big move one way or the other. And sure enough, we got, the US dollar Japanese worked out, and this one we got hit on. But we only had 5% of our size because we never got our second tranche on. So we sold this 1.52896 for an 85.4 pip loss, adjusted for size, 4.3 pips. So overall, we picked up 7.1 pips. So not so bad, not that bad of a way to end the week. It's just been a slow week. It's been a slow month of June. Well, we're only in the first week of June, but it's been slow. Actually, May ended slow because you had the holiday in there as well. So we'll see what the rest of the day brings. And if you're still trading now, good luck. If any signals come out, they'll be coming your way. Have a great weekend. See if the American Pharaoh can win the Triple Crown. It hasn't been one since 1978. That'll be exciting. And we're going to end you with some more Dire Straits Money for Nothing.